Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to replace a Ryobi Electric Power Washer GFCI with a no start issue. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe now for more videos including DIY, maintenance, and projects. We will begin by plugging in the Ryobi Electric Power Washer. As seen, the light in the GFCI is illuminated. GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. When pushing down on the power button, the button did not light up and the motor did not start. When shaking the GFCI, we can hear something is loose inside. We will open part of the GFCI case with a Phillips head screwdriver. The GFCI was then connected to the electrical outlet. The black wire is power or hot, the white wire is neutral, and the green wire is ground. We will test for voltage in the GFCI wires with a multimeter. The power and the ground wires have 118 volts. As seen, the power and the neutral wires have no voltage. The GFCI was then disconnected from the electrical outlet. The same piece was removed on a new GFCI with a Phillips head screwdriver. These parts were almost identical down to the orientation of the wires as indicated on the plastic piece. The plastic clamp holding the wire assembly was removed. The wiring assembly was then removed from the old GFCI. Since the orientation was identical, the wiring assembly was then installed on the new GFCI. The plastic clamp holding the wire assembly was installed. The new GFCI was then connected to the electrical outlet. As seen, the light on the GFCI is illuminated. The test and reset buttons on the new GFCI are working. We will again test for voltage in the GFCI wires with a multimeter. As seen, the power and the ground wires have 119 to 120 volts. The power and the neutral wires have 119 volts. In comparison, we will test the voltage when the GFCI test button is pressed. When the GFCI test button is pressed, it detects ground fault. As seen, it cuts off the electricity to the wires and no voltage can be detected. When the reset button is pressed, power again is restored to the wires and we can again detect voltage. We installed the cover to the GFCI with 4 Phillips screws. With the power washer plugged in, the motor was able to start when pushing down on the power button. The power button light was also working as seen better in the second test. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.